You know, they used to tell us that Boko Haram, they are foreigners, Abi.
Yeah.
But now the same foreigners, they are giving them amnesty. The same foreigners, they are rehabilitating them. Why they are the people that are telling us that they are foreigners, that they are Fulanis from, that they are not Nigerians. The same people that are telling us that the people that are invading us, that they are not Nigerians. They are now the same people that are telling us that they are rehabilitating them. Then, which people are they rehabilitating? Which people are they giving amnesty? Because they are the ones, the same government told us that the people that are invading us, the northern Nigeria, that they are from outside, that they are from Chad, that they are not Nigerians. Now, help me to ask them, who are those people now that they are rehabilitating? If they are foreigners, is it right for our government to be using our money, the tax money we are paying, to be rehabilitating foreigners? That is just my question. God bless you, Kocha. During the time of P2P, the security is more tight. Then the networking, apart from that, they have gone, but the networking, every village, they have vehicle that P2P gave to them. They have.
Where are the vehicles now?
Some of them are spoiled. You know, it's been long now, but some people still have their own. But this present government, I don't think they give them such. But that time, you find out they have networking. This village can call the other village. The other village can call. And one thing that makes the one village security effective is that they know everybody in that village. You understand? They know each other. They know. So, but now they don't do it like that now, because that time it's the village people that is taking care of their security. Village people. So anything that happened, they know. They have a way of finding out. But this one now, they will bring somebody from that is not part of that village. The person will be there only to make money. You understand? Because you will not. There are some certain things you will not allow to happen in your village, no matter what. No matter what, there is extent. Some things you will not allow, even if you want to make money. So, but if you now go and bring somebody from, even if that person is from the east, you bring somebody, let's assume now from another town, to come and be in charge of my town. Most of the time, the caring and the passion to secure that place is not as the same thing. Yeah. Like the same person.
It's not my community. That is what he's going to say. So I can't die for them.
And some of them, if you see some of the people, they are making this chief security in our side. You look at that person, you find out that some of them, without being told, there are some people, you find out that this person is looking for money to travel out. That person don't even love, because one thing that will make somebody to do anything to protect his environment, that person must first of all love that place, love the environment, love where he's coming from. You understand?
Yeah.
And that person will have something to lose. That is why if I look at Nigeria, I will be wondering, if you bring somebody from that is one, the person is a Muslim. Second, the person is not from the East. Third, the person is a tribal bigot. You are asking that person to come and protect people that are Christians. Are you getting what I'm saying? Knowing the kind of tribalism we are having in Nigeria, you are asking the person that is from, let's assume now, a Fulani, to come and be in charge of police in the East. You are bringing, not just that person is a Fulani, the person is a Muslim. You are asking that person to come and protect Christians. It's just like telling a rat to come and protect the bag of your fish.
You feel they can't.
Then you give them.
That they can't do it.
You understand? You are asking rats to come and protect the bag of fish. In your district.
Maybe you might have a different reason from me. Why do you feel that they can't do that?
The reason is because of this our Nigeria tribalism is too much. Sorry to say that. The kind of division, the kind of We are too divided.
Mm.
You understand? Because one thing that motivates somebody to protect a place, like I said now, if I'm working in a bank and I know I am benefiting from that bank, and if anything happens to that bank, I have a lot to lose. I will do everything to protect that bank. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
I will be doing everything to make sure that that bank works, is doing well. But Nigeria own, we are not, one is that we are not seeing ourselves as one. Now, upon all these things, you are saying you are fighting insecurity. You are using the same person, the same tribe, the same region, the same Islam. And according to Islam, according to what that my friend used to tell me that time, the man is a good man, it's a Fulani man, but he's a very good man, I must say. The man is always funny. So the man used to tell me that time that a Fulani man is very hard. You see a Fulani man to kill a Fulani man. And that if you kill any Fulani today, that if you like, let it reach 20 years, they don't forget and they don't forgive. They will retaliate.
It's all right, Mr. Chris.
If they find the opportunity.
All right.
Understand?
Yeah.
So
what we're actually saying are stories on the internet. So we have seen a lot of people saying the same thing as well. We have seen a lot of people saying the same thing. It is
saying the same words. I don't.
the same thing that you are saying, like about they call it a reprisal attack. Like if you touch them, if you do anything, they can kill you, and they want peace to reign. They want peace deal. But if you kill them, even though it's 20 years, they will come for reprisal. So
There's something I want to say. There's something I want to say before I hang on for another person. If you really want to protect a place, the people that you have to use to protect that place or give gun to protect that place is the indigenous people of that place.
Exactly.
You understand?
Yeah.
It's indigenous. But this one, they will collect arms from the indigenous people and allow foreigners to have their gun. Then another thing I observe, I want to make comment. You know, they used to tell us that Boko Haram, they are foreigners, Abi.
Yeah.
But now the same foreigners, they are giving them amnesty. The same foreigners, they are rehabilitating them. Why they are the people that are telling us that they are foreigners, that they are Fulanis from, that they are not Nigerians. The same people that are telling us that the people that are invading us, that they are not Nigerians. They are now the same people that are telling us that they are rehabilitating them. Then, which people are they rehabilitating? Which people are they giving amnesty? Because they are the ones, the same government told us that the people that are invading us, the northern Nigeria, that they are from outside, that they are from Chad, that they are not Nigerians. Now, help me to ask them, who are those people now that they are rehabilitating? If they are foreigners, is it right for our government to be using our money, the tax money we are paying, to be rehabilitating foreigners? That is just my question. God bless you, Kocha.